Oh, that'll do. Hello, I'm BobCorp, and welcome back to Baking with BobCorp. Now you're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this, and there's two reasons. The first one is I've just had an interview and I couldn't be bothered to change, so that's it mainly. But also, it's the finale of Baking with BobCorp, and we've got to go out with a bang. And because the list of people that wanted to be on Baking with BobCorp was so extensively long, and I move out in about 2 or 3 weeks. We thought we'd try and get as many people on as possible, so just like everyone go stand like over there and just get in the shot. And like, yeah.
Someone's gonna be at the front.
Cram in.
Where's the shot?
So for some bizarre reason, all of these people wanted to be on my crappy baking show.
God knows why.
Yeah, I don't know why. Why? Why did you want to be on Baking with BobCorp?
You accosted me drunkenly.
I was in the oven on.
This is going to be the most chaotic thing we've ever done. Now we've got to do a big shout out to my nan, because she got me this cooking book. I've used it a few times. And it's got a brownie recipe in, which meant I didn't have to look anything up online. So, first of all, Thomas, you are oven man for this episode.
Alright.
Can you set the oven to gas mark 4? Now we need to grease a 27 by 19 centimetre tray baked tin and line with greaseproof paper. Now first of all, we don't have any greaseproof paper because we're on a very little budget really. Should we do it in the little glass dish or on that baking tray?
Wow, which one do you want to use?
Maybe your best bet would be the glass one.
Yeah, I think the glass one.
So someone grease that, there's like butter over there.
Any volunteers for greasing?
Who wants to be the grease boy? Harry, it's now you. Go grease that dish.
Grease it.
So here we are in the grease department. Now that looks well greasy. Now while you do that, let's look at what the next step is. So we need to put the butter and chocolate in a bowl over a pan of simmering water until they are melted. Now we only have a plastic bowl, and that's not that will get melted. So let's find an alternative somewhere in the kitchen.
There's a thing over there. Looks like it could be
big
That's not clean.
This is a family heirloom. This has been in the family since probably at least the 90s, which is why it looks so dirty. So who wants to put the butter and chocolate in here and melt it?
Go on.
Dan, it's you!
Woo!
Woo!
What am I doing?
Go get the chocolate and the butter. We need 125 grams of it.
Is it a weighing scale?
Guess mate.
No. Now someone else needs to get that pan simmering.
Okay.
So
where's the pan?
Thomas, you can put one of the hob things on.
Which one? Anyone.
Here is a pan. Someone can dry it. Jacob, you can dry this pan.
Where's the pan?
Oh, I'm good at this, aren't I? I'm really getting into this.
What's the next step?
Once the butter is in there with the chocolate, someone else, James, I'm choosing you because you haven't done anything yet.
Fine.
You can pick up the jar when the butter's in it and put it in the pan. Let's go to the action station over here. Here we
How's
are.
it going, Dan?
Dan is here. He's chopping up all the bits of chocolate and he's putting them in the bowl. That's good to hear.
Yeah, that is.
That's a big responsibility.
I know.
Are
I'm
you
not ready for
enjoying this responsibility?
Yeah, sure.
Wipe your head.
Oh yeah, it's so stressful.
Oh yeah.
How will I cope with all this?
I've also just remembered, did anyone wash their hands before starting? There's no hygiene in this kitchen. Get that shit in the jug. This content, we're 9 minutes in, we haven't even got to baking anything yet.
So the butter goes in here as well, right?
The butter needs to go in there.
How much?
How much?
125 grams.
How can you tell?
Measure using packets. So how much is in there and make an educated
There's
guess.
not much left.
There's not much.
Is there like a knife I can have to scrape the butter out? Sounds like that's an app.
The
Here's a
professionalism.
duster.
It's a fork!
Here's a fork.
Probably only one.
If this
No.
is shit, that one on the floor.
I don't know what else is.
Right, let's
Put empty this whole ton of butter in here. Sorry guys.
Yeah, you probably.
Whoa, that's a lot of
You
butter.
just ended up with some buttery brownies.
Get an extra shot of that water boiling.
Oh yeah, the water's definitely boiling. There it be. Give us some commentary on this.
That is one boily boy.
You've taken that job quite seriously. I can see that.
Yes,
What I need, Jack, I need you to pick this jug up and put it in the pan. so we can are you sure you can handle this?
I think so.
Are you sure you can handle this? This is a big responsibility. It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. Don't burn yourself.
Oh fuck.
Don't burn yourself.
Use a knife if you need to. Oh no.
Every puzzle has an answer. Right, Holly, you haven't had a job yet. I'm gonna give you a wooden spoon and you can like keep stirring that and making sure that it doesn't like burn. Hang on, where are the wooden spoons?
Quality.
I know the theory of things.
I do have one, I know there's one somewhere.
Is it clean?
Clean it. It was next to the sink. It looks clean enough.
Looks clean. It looks clean. There you go. Doesn't that look like an amazing recipe? Like, I can't wait to eat that. That looks insane.
How long is it supposed to melt for?
Not so much.
It just says until they're melted, so you're in charge of melt job. When that's done, let us know and keep up the great work.
Thanks.
Who wants the next job?
What is it?
Which is?
Put all the dry ingredients into a bowl and mix.
Do you have a second spoon, or is
I'll
it
be
the
this.
hand mix?
I'll be
We do have one somewhere.
You be first, so I be second. Or
Here at BobCorp, we take personal hygiene very seriously.
So seriously, we're doing it now, even though we've already put ingredients in.
Good personal hygiene is relatable content.
What dry ingredients are there?
yeah.
Right, we need
5 power.
1 mug of granulated sugar. So literally, just get a mug out of the cupboard, fill it with granulated sugar. We actually only have caster sugar, but that doesn't matter. And put it in the bowl.
Sugars, right?
Yeah, I did Google this, and they said it would be fine. That'll do, I guess. We're all gonna die eventually. Right. Great. Now stick that in the bowl.
So it's going in the bowl.
It's going in the bowl. It's going in the bowl.
Going in the bowl. 3, 2.
Well, it's in the bowl. The other dry ingredients, which is a bit weird because egg is a bit wet, but the egg needs to go in there. We need 3 large eggs, fresh from the corner shop down the street.
We did it, boss.
We got 3 eggs in.
That's not how baking works. What is this?
That is how baking. That's how you bake, right?
That is 3 eggs, like you said.
Yes, 3 eggs.
Crunchy brownies. Is there a good
Yeah, I know the
There we
fucking
go.
egg.
Oh,
There we go. That's 1.
Holly, how's that
Eggy
chocolate
hands.
coming along over there? That's good to hear. We like it when the chocolate melts here on Baking with BobCorp. That's always a good thing.
Okay.
What else do we need? What else needs to go in that bowl? We need to put in there half a mug of self-raising flour. Hang on, James. Don't you think it's someone else should have a turn? I mean, you've been doing this for a while now. I think
measuring?
this is
off you go then.
we're all about
Expert Harry,
fairness here at Baking with BobCorp. Okay, it's all about teamwork.
What's next? Come on.
Someone needs to. Oh, Tom, that was supposed. Oh, actually, Tom hasn't done a job for a while. He can mix that. All is well. All is well. There is no need to panic here on Baking with BobCorp. All is well.
I mean, it's not look well mixed.
Keep mixing.
What do I do with
It looks like.
Oh, the chocolate has melted. Hang on. Stir in the beaten eggs and then the chocolate and butter. Oh, we weren't going to put the eggs in yet, but whatevs.
Are we meant to beat them?
Well, once that's done, mix in the chocolate and butter.
Yeah.
Don't pick it up with your hands, you silly
Put
poo.
1 ton of heat off.
Then get that towel.
There's a thing here. Right, don't take it out.
Safety first. It's happening. Here we are.
Wait, what are we doing with it?
Jack, is that in shot? I can't tell.
Yes. It's also probably going to be way too hot.
Lovely.
That's what the cranberry really is. But it's close enough.
What does this remind you of anything in the world? What is this experience reminding you
This
of?
is reminding me of fucking year 7 in high school in baking classes, to be honest with you.
Oh God, what's going on over here?
Someone's being fed.
Oh, James, you're making me uncomfortable.
Right now, the next step is this is one of the most important steps.
Is the oven heated up?
Who do we trust?
One of the most important steps of the entire baking process. Who here should take on the big boy responsibility of pouring the mix into the baking tray and cooking for 30 minutes? I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10. What is it?
4, 6.
It was not 4.
Okay.
9.
It was 7, but Tom said it before you, so you're in charge of pouring. But because you both said it, you can do it. You can help each other. You can pour at the same time if you want. Doesn't that sound fun? So now we're going to go over to the big baking station. Here we are. Things are about to enter the bowl.
Who is doing this?
Who is doing this?
Who's doing the thing?
Thomas, are you doing this?
Okay, I'll do it. Chocolate. Get into the dish.
Oh, that might be in shot. I don't know.
Oh, that's good.
Oh wow!
Delicious.
That is food.
There we go.
Ta-da! There it be. Now we need to bake for 30 minutes. Who wants to put it in the oven?
Ollie!
You can put it in the oven.
The oven gloves to put something
Wow, this is so cinematic. Tom, wouldn't you agree this is so cinematic?
This is very cinematic.
Get away from my lens.
Is the flame still on?
Oh, yes they are.
Pictures. Oh, I missed all of that, but that's probably not much.
There we go.
It's not that exciting. There you go.
30 minutes.
Now we've got to wait for 30 minutes
Wow, that's a while.
for that to cook.
There we go, 30-minute timer.
Wow.
There we got it. We got a timer.
It'll make a
Timer
bell
done.
sound when it's done.
Oh, there'll be bells, there'll be bells. We'll be right back
Look at
after
it
these
already.
commercial messages.
Rocky eats them all the time.
Come on, Daniel. Here's
love that
the
one.
airplane.
Things are getting very tense here in the Baking BobCorp kitchen. We're about to get the cake out of the oven, or at least we're going to see if it's... We're about to get the brownies out of the oven, but we're not sure if it's actually going to be cooked or not, because last I checked it looked like a lasagna. 30 seconds, lads, there's 30 seconds. Battle stations! Battle stations! Thomas is here with the clock. What are we on? 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Should it
Right, now
go in for a little bit
carefully.
more?
Carefully.
Someone smacked that with a spoon.
It's clean enough. That's good.
We are good, fam. Let's get this shit out of the oven.
That brownie's gonna be stuck in there because there was no baking parchment. It's still very hot, so it's not solidified. Alright, and
should I
then
do?
hold the plate tight to it.
Okay. Hold like this and then flip.
And turn.
Yeah.
And then put down without dropping it. Do you think you can do the putting down part?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, please give it to someone else.
Okay. There we go. Now.
Now it's on the oven gloves.
Retract your hands. That is not cooked.
No!
The edge got
What's the idea with this? Quick, stick it out, put it back in the oven.
It can't not help.
Oh, so bad.
Tom, you're making it worse.
Oh my god, that is not
the
a
whole side.
idea.
Don't pick it up.
Try to put it in the tray.
No, that's not going. I mean, that's never coming out.
Or we can cook it a bit more.
On the upside, some of it's cooked. I mean, if you turn the oven back on, that can go back in, I suppose.
Great. Do we even want to try now?
Look, it's either gonna cook or it's fucked anyway.
So now what? How long are we going to give that?
Just check every couple minutes.
Should we see how it...
It's very thin, so it probably won't take long.
Baking with BobCorp.
Oh god, that looks so bad. It does look oh no.
You know what, that's getting there. It's no longer a brownie, it's a self-sourcing chocolate cake.
Improvise, adapt, overcome.
Exactly. Modern problems require modern solutions. And this modern solution is just ignoring the fact there is a problem and calling it something else.
Outstanding move.
Like a sweater best.
Oh,
How close is it, Aaron?
it's gotta come out, it's starting to shout.
Well, it looks like it's not jiggling as much as it was.
That just needs to not be touched for the next like 20 minutes at least.
Don't that look
Edible.
edible? So, who's enjoyed being on BobCorp today?
I've loved it. I've had a great time.
That's
I
good.
didn't ruin anything.
Yeah.
Is it possible to touch this yet? Should we mash it yet? Should we get the...
It's been cooling for about 5 minutes.
It's alright.
It's probably somewhat
Yeah, we should probably cover it.
retrievable. Well, let's see how stuck it is first.
You get this on camera.
Because the answer is very. you know how we grease this one?
What? Oh, yeah.
You know how we just dumped
Use the piece of...
and then we'll go for. Our brute force solves all problems. Yes.
Critical thinking is the key.
Here we go. A nice
Camera.
A chunk.
There we go.
Yes, we have a chunk.
That is a. There we go. We've plated. There we go. Nice.
Let's wait for the sexy shot.
Oh, we've added some garnish.
Sexy. Sexy. Fuck, this is
Alright,
so bad.
A little bit gloopy.
Oh,
Oh, what a big one.
delicious, delicious brownie.
And there we go. Hello, brownies.
Well, that
Right.
time I blocked the toilet and
Yeah,
I had to run to Wilco and get like a plunger. Well, this is what it, this is. I'm
That's what it looks
having
like.
flashbacks.
Okay, let's take it to the table.
Incredibly sweet.
Out of the way, everyone.
Don't show the taste. I didn't clean that bit. My underwear's up over there. Wow, we're here with James, who's got the brownie.
Yes. Well, brownie, to be fair.
Wow, let's
It would have
eat.
been fine if version had proper to put it in time. The best part of the video, make it take you sip. Alright. I think putting it in the glass was the mistake.
Yeah.
But I think that was a mistake.
I have been saying that.
Yeah. So official review. What are we saying?
This has gone
This has gone.
We've got.
It has an official review.
It was a mess up, but it was a team mess up, and I'm proud of us.
Grand. Food. Anyone else got any?
It's like an 8 on flavour, but a 3 on presentation.
It was a car crash that we somehow salvaged.
That's. I'll take it. I'll take an
Reminds
A.
me of my degree.
I mean, it's still.
It looks like shit, but really, it's okay.
What else do we think
okay.
of the food?
Yummy.
I mean, we finished it, so it can't have been that bad.
Yeah.
The first time anyone's actually willingly eaten the entire produce.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Well, this has been Baking with BobCorp for the last 3 years.
Yeah.
Remember to keep baking.
Keep baking.
What are those tears? Show me those tears.
Cry!
I missed the series.
And we're gonna miss you, Bob.
Fucking better.
I will. I'm joking.
And this has been Baking with BobCorp. See you later. Oh, I just remembered.
for the win.
We were supposed to Skype Isaac, weren't we? So he could be in it.
Oh, I promised him I'd do it as well.